It is the 25th of August 2026, and this is today's Portuguese A0 to A1 beginner class from LINGUAWIRE, made from real news stories. This class is a podcast and a video lesson, both on linguawire.com, linked below.
Today's main story is about the UK Prime Minister not ruling out tax rises before the autumn budget. First come 3 other stories from today's front page, and all of them can be read on linguawire.com.
First, a fundição de alumínio divide Drummond e Massey em Oklahoma.
An aluminium smelter divides Drummond and Massey in Oklahoma. The verb divide means to split or separate people on an issue. In headlines, it can suggest a big disagreement. Politics really does love a factory-shaped argument.
Next, o governo do Canadá vai impor tarifas contra os IBZUA.
The Canadian government is going to impose tariffs against the US. Vai impor uses the simple future idea of ir plus an infinitive. It is a very common way to say something is going to happen soon.
And Andy Burnham pede remoção de vídeos de condução perigosa.
Andy Burnham calls for the removal of videos of dangerous driving. Remoção is a useful noun. It means the act of removing something, not the thing itself.
Now, time for today's main story. Here is today's headline. Primeiro-ministro do Reino Unido não exclui subir impostos. Now say it out loud yourself and see how much you already understand. Primeiro-ministro do Reino Unido
UK Prime Minister
não exclui
does not rule out
subir impostos.
raising taxes.
Notice the headline uses the present tense, which is very common in news Portuguese, even when the story is about a current political decision.
Everything from here is also written out on today's lesson sheet.
Ele disse isso durante a sua primeira visita à Ucrânia.
He said that during his first visit to Ukraine, the verb is dizer, meaning to say. Disse is the past form used here for one finished action.
Ele disse que vai ter cuidado com a economia.
He said that he will be careful with the economy.
Ele disse que as promessas sobre o custo de vida já têm dinheiro.
He said that the promises about the cost of living already have money behind them.
Burnham disse também que mudou dinheiro de uma área para outra.
Burnham also said that he moved money from one area to another.
O orçamento de outono será em 28 de outubro.
The autumn budget will be on 28th October. Orçamento means budget. In news Portuguese, it often refers to the government budget.
Now for the verb of the day, dizer. In English that means to say. Here it is in the present tense. Eu digo. Tu dizes. Ele diz. Nós dizemos. Vós dizeis. Eles dizem.
Here's a normal everyday example. Eu digo olá ao meu vizinho. In English, I say hello to my neighbor.
One last time at full speed. Primeiro-ministro do Reino Unido não exclui subir impostos. Now you Before you go, one question from today's story. O que o Primeiro-ministro não exclui? Is it A, subir impostos, fechar o orçamento, or C, mudar de país?
Think about it. Well done. That is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. The link is with this episode. See you tomorrow.